Charcuterie board basics. Today we're learning how to fold salami. Here are 3 options to include in your board the next time you use salami. This is the exact salami I'm using, but you can pick out whatever you love. We're starting with the very famous salami river. Now I do want to say, once you're done folding these, you may notice they kind of want to pull apart. That's just when you're using very cold, straight out of the fridge meat. You might want to give it a second before you start this process, but it's pretty easy. You take 2 pieces at a time, fold them together, and it makes a really cute interlocking pattern for your salami. This is a great way to build like a divide on a board. Next, go ahead and grab a shot glass. You're going to make a beautiful salami rose. I noticed that a shot glass is just the easiest way. It's smaller. You're working with less of a container to try to build this flower. You're going to pile these up and build a few layers. Again, cold salami makes it a little bit challenging, but your charcuterie board will still look beautiful with this flower. Last up, we're doing a little salami rosette for your beautiful charcuterie board. You're going to lay out the pieces in a row, and you can make this as big or as small as you need. Once you fold them in half, you're going to roll them up, and it's going to look just like a little rosette. The trick with this one is that there's just no way really, unless it's crammed into a small space, to get it to stick. So once you're done rolling, it's not you. You haven't done anything wrong, but you're going to want to grab a couple toothpicks. Again, unless this is squeezing into a nice little tight spot on your charcuterie board, then you're going to want to hold it in place with a couple of Q-tips. And I hope these salami tricks helped for your next charcuterie board. Let me know what tips you want to see next. Happy charcuterie!